Okay, here's a nice little application problem. What we're given is a truck that can travel, that's going to travel 60 miles per hour. It's going to get a 1 hour head start on this car. The car is going to travel at 85 miles per hour. So the question is, how long until this car catches up to the truck? So in order to do this problem, what we're going to need to realize or need to know is that we have this formula that says the rate times the time equals the distance that you travel, or R times T equals D. And the way to think about this is like, if you travel 60 miles per hour for 1 hour, you go distance of 60 miles. So the rate times the time equals the distance. So let's write down some information as far as both of these, the truck and the car, considered. So let's look at the first one. What is the rate of the truck? Well, the rate of the truck is 60. Now, what is the time that the truck is going to travel when it gets caught? Well, let's just say we don't know. So this T is the time at which the truck is going to be caught. Now, it also has a 1 hour head start. So that time is actually 1 hour after it started. So the time it gets caught is here plus the 1 hour head start that it had. So this is our rate, this is our time, and this equals some distance that it travels. Now for the car is going to be traveling 85 miles per hour, and how long is it going to travel that? Well, just T, because T is the time that it takes the car to catch the truck. Then that will be equal to the distance it travels, so rate times time. Now look, if this equals D and this equals D, then these two must be equal. So from here what we can do is we can write, and I'm going to erase some stuff up here, that 60 times T plus 1 must equal the distance, but that distance is also 85T. And now we have a linear equation, one variable. So all we need to do now is solve for T. So we distribute our 60 through here. 60T plus 60 equals 85T. And now what we do is we get our T on one side. So I will subtract 60T, subtract 60T. Okay, here it goes away. Here we're left with 85 minus 60 is 25. T equals 60. So now all we need to do is divide both sides by 25. So 60 divided by 25, this equals T. Now what we need to do is reduce this fraction, or we could use a calculator to figure out the answer, but this will be representative of the amount of time it takes the car to catch the truck.